the complex dynamic between Boosie and his daughter, Toriana Hatch. A compelling argument can be made that the rapper's public persona and actions cast him in the role of a true villain in her life story, while Toriana, like any young adult, faces personal challenges in her journey toward independence. Her father's influence is not merely a backdrop, but a central, antagonistic force. Boosie's fame and his controversial, often rigid, public views on family, sexuality, and personal choice create an environment where his daughter's efforts to forge her own identity are met with public scrutiny and parental opposition. This dynamic transforms a typical coming-of-age narrative into a public battle for self-determination against the weight of a powerful father's legacy. Boosie's confrontational public persona directly impacts his daughter. By turning private family matters into a spectacle, he has frequently used social media and interviews to voice his disapproval of her life choices. A notable instance involved a public dispute over her sexuality, where he made inflammatory comments on a podcast, implying her lifestyle could contaminate her siblings. This type of public shaming forces Toriana to either defend herself to the world or suffer in silence, stripping her of the privacy and emotional space needed to navigate her own life. By airing personal conflicts and rigid beliefs so openly, Boosie creates a hostile environment that makes a healthy, private resolution nearly impossible. This pattern of public conflict has led to painful, well-documented episodes that highlight the emotional toll on Toriana. For example, Boosie took back a car he had gifted her and used it as a prop in a music video after a dispute over her personal life. She later went on Instagram to express her frustration and hurt, tearfully stating that she felt fed up with his constant public criticism. This act, and the subsequent public response from his daughter, illustrates the core of the conflict: a father who weaponizes his public platform and financial control to enforce his will, and a daughter who is left to confront her private pain in the full view of the world. Ultimately, Boosie's villainy is not defined by classic malice, but by a profound failure to support his daughter's individual growth. He has repeatedly chosen to prioritize his public image and personal ideologies over his daughter's well-being and emotional security. The narrative of her journey is thus framed by this struggle: a young woman striving for respect and independence from a parent whose actions, while perhaps driven by a misguided sense of control, create significant and public obstacles to her happiness. Her story is one of resilience against the very person who should have been her greatest advocate, making him the central, albeit unintentional, antagonist.